Let's pull apart Squirtle and see what we have here. The box was already open, so you know I like just to take boxes, and I did check to make sure everything was there, so it's there. No sense of going through finding another one just because the box will be sealed. If everything is there, you might as well just take it. So the parts are here. I don't think it's too big of a build anyway, but let's just see. Now, like I said, I got a mock coming up that I'm designing that I'm going to use these for. So this is the real reason that I bought these. This is really interesting. This is really, really interesting. In fact, the way that they give the instructions for these things, kind of actually crazy, but cool at the same time. And yes, I open the bags with my teeth and whatever. So let's just see how the heck this goes. I'm not used to these weird looking parts, so let's put that. Okay, must go like that, and another one like that. Okay, and then, oh yes, and then that piece on the bottom. Maybe, yes. Okay, so then we have, what piece goes next? This goes like that, and it goes across the back, and then we have one of these things coming down here. There's a foot, and another foot, and then this like shell piece on the back. That takes care of that step. Now we're back to putting Squirtle back together here, and okay, leg and leg, because I had him backwards and then my battery died in the camera, so now I'm back to it again. And let's see if that's the front or the back, and that's the back. Oh my, he still got his legs backwards because these are not. Okay. I thought he had more hands, but apparently he does not. This is his Squirtle thing coming out the back. So, Squirtle has been built. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.